Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset a Realme C67 5G smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password. You can see incorrect password, please try again. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off the smartphone, press the volume up and power it together like this. Now slide down to the bottom to power off the smartphone. Okay, now it is successful power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power it together like this. Press and hold it. And now release. So you can see now volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. Now select the language and confirm. And here you can see format data. Confirm on format data. You can see please enter verification code 6732. Enter it 6732. And here you can see format data. All user data will be reset. Now tap on format and you can see wiping, please wait, do not perform any other operations. And here you can see data formatted. Now tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset it might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset when it asks for password, pin or pattern, use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Realme C67 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.